What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the JVon Business Hub, where we talk about business, stocks, trades, Shopify, YouTube money. If you want, I can throw it in there. All types of online hustles and ways to make money with this vast market we have in front of us. I wanted to record me purchasing our contract in AMD. This is a video that's going in our road to $10,000 in our Robinhood portfolio series on my channel. And so stay tuned. Look at some of the other videos if you want to see some of the other trades I've made in this series so far. And let's get right into the video. All right, so let's just go in and open our Robinhood account. Okay, so here, time for the money. So we're gonna look for AMD. I'm not seeing it on my watch list. Wait a minute. The app's frozen. Some technical difficulties. All right, so let's jump right into this and open up our Robinhood portfolio. All right, here goes the bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna look for AMD. And with AMD, it's one of those companies that actually ends up going up every year. And so we're gonna take a look at the charts, see some of the highs, some of the lows for the day, as well as for the week. And then also for the month. And looking at the month chart, we do see that it is on a little bit of a downwards trend towards the end of the month coming up on today. So I think we're going to buy in. Let's go to trade options and click on our September 11th expiration date. I just picked that because it's between 3 and 5 weeks out from August 11th. Next thing I'm looking for is a perfect break-even price. I like to choose break-even prices that are close to the share price. You can see that under the call strike price. And then, so we're gonna input the amount of contracts that we wanna have, one of them for 575. I feel like I should say this. The strike price is the number next to whatever it says, something $ 77 or however much it is. For example, R77, then it'll say call, and it'll be in bold on the left side of your call options on your screen. It looks like we're not getting filled for some reason, so I'm probably just gonna have to go back in and re-input that. Yeah, so it'll tell you right in Robinhood, right under that part on the left side of the options screen, what your break-even price is for each of those calls. All right, see if we can get bought in. All right, perfect. We're in. Time to start making some money. We picked the $77 call with the break-even price of $82.73. Bought in for $575. The expiration date is September 11th. Everything you did see. And we're going to get right into the next clip and see how much money we made later on today. So let's get right into it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Business Hub. I had just picked up shares in AMD. I had bought the $77 call. I spent $575 on this call option. This was a big move since we are working with a smaller account. Anything that's below about $1,000 that you have set aside capital for your account is going to be a smaller account. I'm excited. We've already lost about, last time I checked, it was lost $100. The AMD is on a downwards trend. However, you got to remember with AMD and other companies like that when you look on the 5-year chart, they're going up every year, each quarter. And I always suggest buying options in companies when they're on a dip If you do that, you have a higher likelihood of making profit if you pick an expiration date that is about 4 weeks out, 4 or 5 weeks out. And the expiration date we had chose is September 11th, and that is about a month out. I believe today is August 11th. The share price is dropping. It's probably going to keep dropping for the next 6 minutes till the market closes, because it's 3:54 right now. And part of me regrets buying this call option just because it is definitely a lot higher price than the other ones we were buying. And so we put all of our money into this, but we're gonna see what happens in the next couple weeks. Hopefully I can make about $100 profit in the next couple days, sell my position, and just restart. I'm really just putting my money into something that I find is really cool. The fact that that you can put your money in it and see profits the very next day. I'm just, you know, teaching y'all, and I want to put a little bit of education out there that there is money for us all to eat. We can all eat off of these options and off the stock market, and so why not show people how to do it, you know? Again, I do not know what I'm talking about in these videos too much. I just got a really basic understanding, and y'all are learning with me. So let's hopefully we make money tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys in the next little clip I shoot tomorrow. So peace out. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again in another video, or the same video I should say. I wanted to make this little clip because it is the day after we bought our contract in AMD, the $77 call, I believe, that expires on September 11th. And we are already up $133. It is 10:53 in the morning, and I'm feeling really good. I understand that by selling contracts that don't expire for weeks out, you are losing in a way, because those contracts do have a lot of extrinsic value. If you don't know what extrinsic value is, it's the value given to your option based on how much time to expiration. And a lot of people in the comments and stuff, I feel like, been mentioning stuff about how I'm selling way too early and all of this nonsense. And it's like, I understand the concept of extrinsic value with options and all of those types of things dealing with the expiration date that my option has. My thing is, I like just making profit, bro. What's the reason with just making money? Why not? If I see profit and I like the profit, I might as well take the profit and then do it over again. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get to the point where my option says, oh, I'm up $50, and I decided to wait because my expiration date isn't till a couple weeks out. I don't want to wait and the very next day or very next hour even, my option loses all of that value. I don't want that. I don't want that. If I see profits and I like them, I'm gonna take it, you know. But like, at the end of the day, I'm not a genius at options, man. I'm just somebody who's putting his money into the stock market and trying to make some quick gains. You know what I'm saying? You know, I just wanted to make that quick little clip. I'm probably gonna sell. I'm driving right now though, so I'm not gonna be on my phone doing all of that nonsense. But I wanted to make that clip because before I pulled off, I seen that we were up $133 at 10:51, and it felt pretty dang good. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next one when I get to my apartment, and we'll see what's cracking. I'm not gonna sell till then. Hopefully it gets to 150 and we're feeling really good. Peace out, everybody. Catch you in the next one. All right, so back at it again, YouTube. So we're at the apartment now, and I'm really excited because our option has continued to grow. A second ago, before I started this video, it was at $158. I hope it didn't drop by the next time that we go in and sell this contract. I'm really contemplating if I should just do it. If I should just do it and get it over with, close my position and take my profits, or if I should hang on tight for you guys and see how much money we can really get up out of this call. This was a very bullish move on my part. I didn't have the capital to make 2 plays yesterday like I wanted to. I only bought the 1 contract in AMD, and not only that, this play was a big move. It took most of my capital, so I don't know. I'm really excited for the profit that we got. Anything over $100 the next day, man, overnight pros like that, it can't get better than that. You know what I'm saying? And so part of me just wants to sell right now, but I know y'all been itching for me to hold on to these contracts, so we will see what happens. So we ended up selling our contract in AMD for 740 whopping bucks. And we made a grand profit of $160. I just realized I was wrong. We made $225 on that fucking play. God damn. God damn. I had to look at my numbers again. I'm like, wait a minute. Does that say 225? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna get right into it, y'all. So let's just go open up our Robinhood app. Okay, so we're in the Robinhood app. Click on our call, scroll down, and as you see, $160 profit right there. Right there. Now we're gonna pick on our call so we can go right in and sell. I wanna do this quick. I'm not trying to wait. Y'all already seen the process multiple times before. Input the number of contracts you want, 740. Let's hope we get sold. Come on. Now it's just a waiting game. I hope somebody buys this at 740. Please. 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 Get off my screen. Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see. Good stuff right there. Oh, and it's at 81.15. We would have made more profits if we would have waited a little bit. And I bet we will still make more profit. We would have still made more profits if we waited. And a lot of y'all are going to tell me that I'm an idiot for selling a contract 29 days before it expires. But I just made $160, man. You can't beat that. You can't beat profits. Just take profits. And yeah, it's AMD, so it probably would have kept on going up. But that's besides the point. I just wanted my money. This is road to $10,000 in the Robinhood portfolio. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking this video out. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the 9 yards, and let's keep making this online money. Peace out, everybody. Catch you in the next one.